Welcome back guys, and I just have to say thank you for watching on my previous video about the fingerprint battle test with over 19,000 views. So if any of you wants to subscribe to my channel, I'm new on YouTube, it's more than welcome to do it. And for the moment I just have to say that we got another quick fingerprint test between this S10 Plus and A50 after the big update. First, I'm gonna take you to the menu in update section so you can see that A50 received the fingerprint update. So we are on the menu now, software update for S10 Plus and software update for A50. And if you can see here, the last update was on 8th of April 2019. And this is the performance of fingerprint recognition has been improved, overall stability of functions improved, and the security of your device has been improved. So they seems to improve the fingerprint, and we're gonna see doing another test against the Galaxy S10 Plus. We don't have any update on S10 Plus for the fingerprint, so it's just stability improvements, bug fixes, and yeah, we don't see anything about that. And I'm gonna turn this off at the moment, and I'm gonna take you to the menu. We're gonna go on biometrics, fingerprints, and on A50 again on fingerprints, and I'm gonna show you that I did add two fingerprints, one for the right finger and the other one for the left on the both phone. So we're gonna test it first with on A50 with the right finger, and then we're just gonna switch the phone and we're gonna test it with the left finger. Okay, so the screen is turned off for both of the phones. We got S10 Plus on the left and A50 on the right. So let's see. No one. And now let's do it again. All right. So you turn on S10 Plus first and A50 after. We're just gonna do it one more time with the screen off. Yeah. All right. So A50 right behind S10 Plus, but this is not the actual difference because S10 Plus is using that 3D biometric fingerprint. Okay, let's turn the phone on and let's try again now. Yeah, quite fast. And let's do it just for A50. Come on, A50. So still got that small delay. Okay, we're just gonna test A50 alone and we'll see if it's any improvement since the last time. So I'm just gonna try. Okay, seems to unlock the phone with the screen on. Yeah, it's quite quick enough. Yeah, no problems. But let's see now if I turn the screen off. Have to press again. Yeah, seems to be a slightly better improvement on the phone. And now let's switch it again. And let's see with the left finger. Maybe some of you are using the left hand, so you're gonna unlock the phone with your left finger. Okay, A50 on the left and S10 Plus on the right with the screen off. No one. Let's try again now. S10 Plus. One more time. And A50 seems that is asking me to press a little bit harder. I don't know how hard can I press it. After a while, A50 just unlocked the phone, so it's harder to press with my left finger. Look, and finally did opened. So yeah, I don't know how much they improved the fingerprint. Seems to work with the screen on much better. Yeah, much better. But once you got the phone like in your hand, hold it and try to unlock it. Yeah, seems to work, but a bit harder. Okay, so let's try the phones now with the screen on. Yeah, okay. So of course S10 Plus, it's much faster than A50. Let's do it one more time and then we're just gonna leave it. Yeah, right after. So yeah, A50 is coming with an improvement fingerprint, which in my opinion it's not the fast one on this phone. I think can be more improved. Yeah, it's fast, quite fast, because I'm using the right hand, the screen on, screen off now. Yeah, it's good enough, it's good enough. Let's try with the left one. Oh, right, straight away. Yeah, you just have to leave the finger more on the screen and then probably it's gonna read. Yeah, and it's gonna work. Yeah, happy with this update, and maybe in time they're gonna improve it even better. I'm not sure about that, but we'll see. And thank you for watching. You can see a small comparison between these two tests from the previous and this one. And yeah, until next time, don't forget to subscribe.